Guys, let's get started. Before getting into what our today's topic is, let's see why we need it. So what I am going to do is to print a string in the console using console.log, right? Now, if I need it at a longer point, how am I going to use it? So there is actually no way if it's just a string and it's not saved in something. So that is where variable comes in. Think of a variable as boxes, right? Think of them as boxes that can hold values. So boxes could hold string values, boxes could hold numeric values, boxes could also hold Boolean values, right? So now let's talk about the strongly typed and loosely typed languages. So the strongly typed languages are the languages where you have to specifically tell the programming language that if I have declared a value, then if I have declared a variable, then this variable is of type string, or integer if it's a number, or boolean if it stores a value of 1 or 0 or true or false. So on the other hand, loosely typed languages are the languages where you do not have to tell it what type of variable it is. So luckily, JavaScript is a loosely typed variable. You do not have to tell it what kind of variable it is. So let's see how we can declare a variable. So you will just say var a, where a is the name of my variable, and then I am going to assign a value to it. Let's say it's a numeric or integer type variable, right? Now at any later point, if I want to use it, for example, I want to say console.log and I want to print a, I can actually do that. See, it's printing 3. So this is why we use variables, to use something at a later point in time. So that's it for this tutorial, folks.